Hi guys, my name is Pascoe-Loomes and today I'll be explaining the current divider rule. So the current divider rule helps us to calculate how a current source comes into a system and then splits into two or more paths, and we can use the equation to calculate how much current goes down an individual path. So let's look at a problem here. So we have a circuit which has a current source of 10 amps coming into a junction which splits into three separate paths. So path 1 has a resistance of 20 ohms, path 2 120 ohms, and path 3 has a resistance of 900 ohms. So this is the equation that we use to calculate the individual paths. So the current of the individual path is equal to the total current coming into the system multiplied by the total resistance of all the paths and over the resistance of the individual path that we are looking at. So just here I've quickly calculated the total resistance, which is equal to 16.8 ohms. So here I've written out the calculations. So for path 1, I1, we have the total current coming into the system multiplied by the total resistance of 16.8 ohms over the individual resistance of path 1, which is 20 ohms. So put that into your calculator and you should get 8.4 ohms. Pretty similar for I2, which is 10 amps, multiplied by 16.8 ohms over 120 ohms, because that's the resistance of the second path, which equals 1.4 amps. I3 is equal to 10 amps multiplied by 16.8 ohms over 900 ohms. That is equal to 0.2 amps. So to check your answers, we can sum them up, which equals 10 amps here, we can see, which is the same as the incoming current source. So that is a quick overview of the current divider rule.